The Preacher Build has just been updated. It features Debrid, non-Debrid add-ons. I would say probably the best ones right now. We're in August 2025. I've made a video showing how you can sort of update or fix stuff that don't work within a build using this same skin, which is really light, easy to use for most devices. You know, for low-end devices as well. So yeah, so I did make a video showing how to fix it, and it's in the video description. It's called Uncut. All right then, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.